Hello, my name is Kelly Maddux. I am the manager of vendor and payment here for the RapidLink repairs team. A strong vendor relationship looks like a true partnership built on clear expectations, consistent communication, and mutual accountability. Our vendors know exactly what's expected of them. They understand how to accept events, provide updates and ETAs, follow service standards, and submit invoices because those expectations are clearly defined through our onboarding and standard operating procedures. And on our side, we are just as accountable. When vendors follow the process, they're supported, issues are addressed quickly, and payments are handled accurately and consistently. That trust is critical because vendors are the front line of our service and directly impact response times, safety, and the customer experience. In a national operation, strong vendor relationships are what allow us to deliver consistent, timely, and reliable service at scale. Without that alignment and trust, you lose efficiency, service quality, and ultimately the customer's confidence. Managing a nationwide vendor network takes discipline, processes, and strong relationships. It requires clear standards for onboarding, pricing, service expectations, and billing that are applied consistently across every market so that scale doesn't create an inconsistency. Equally important in this is trust. Vendors need to know that when they follow the process, they'll be supported and paid accurately and on time. That trust drives reliability, responsiveness, and long-term retention. When you combine structure and strong partnership, you can maintain nationwide coverage, consistent pricing, and dependable service without sacrificing quality as the network grows. One thing people don't always realize is how much coordination and decision-making happens behind every single service call. What may look like a simple roadside repair actually involves real-time communication with vendors, validating service requirements, managing estimates, tracking updates, and ensuring documentation and billing are handled correctly so the vendor can be paid and the customer isn't delayed. All of that has to happen quickly and accurately, often across different time zones and service markets. The work is largely invisible when it's done well, but it's critical to making sure our customers are taken care of consistently, safely, and without disruption every day. The most satisfying part of my job is building strong, long-term vendor partnerships and watching those companies grow alongside us. It's incredibly rewarding to know that our collaboration helps shape and strengthen America's mobile mechanic workforce.